Hi everyone, welcome to Taddy Brothers. My name is Tamir, and in this video I'm going to show you how to activate the cameras on your mobile DVR. Before we get started, I just want to give you my standard tip, and this is kind of what we're doing over here. You want to bench test everything before you install it. This way you get a better understanding of how the system works, and it'll make the installation quicker and cleaner. So let me just first show you the different components that I have hooked up here, and then we'll get on to the activating of the camera. So here's the mobile DVR. This is the screen that we're using, and we have here 4 cameras. I'm using like one of these little popper cameras here. So you see there's 1, 2, 3, 4 cameras, and they're all wired into the back of the DVR. We have one other channel right here, this one, which flows into the monitor itself. This DVR is what creates the split screen. So you do not need a split screen monitor. It's the DVR creates that. The monitor is just a 1 or 2 channel standard monitor that we have. Over here, we connected the red and the yellow together, and then connected it to the positive, the red, and then the black we connected to the negative. This way, in my situation, I want it on all the time. If you don't connect the yellow, the system is going to turn off every few minutes. So if you want it on all the time, you connect it to a constant power source, and then you're good to go. Back to the monitor, again, it's just getting power externally. I'm not letting the DVR power it just because I want it to turn on with the vehicle doing it, but there's different ways of you doing it. This cable here will also power the monitor if you need. The bigger monitors might need an extra 12 volt or something like that. But this is the basic setup, and this is also the remote that the monitor comes with, okay? So now let's move on to activating the camera. Once again, the issue that I'm getting here is all the cameras are connected, but as you see on the monitor, there's no image. The reason that's happening is because the settings are still on PAL, so we're going to show you guys how to fix that so you could do that on your own. Okay guys, so here we have the monitor. You can see that no images are showing from the cameras. I can assure you the cameras are getting power. We're going to use this remote to change the settings in order to make it work. Alright, so this button right here is the login button. These are the arrows we're going to be using, and this is the OK button that we're going to use to enter whatever changes we want to make. So here we go. Push in the login button, and then go to record. Click the OK button, click into General, and then change the TV system to push OK, and then change it to NTSC, push OK, then go down to camera type and change it to normal. That's just the type of camera we're using here. And then we push save. The system itself is going to save the configuration, as you can see here, and then it's going to reboot. Once you see this little where it says DVR will reboot, let's wait for it to go away. And then you're going to push exit. You're going to push exit 2 times. You're going to see a little countdown right here on the screen, and then the system is going to reboot for you. Alright, while it reboots, let's just go over what we did here. The way the system works is you have a 12 volt connecting to the mobile DVR. You're going to connect the yellow and the red together, and you're going to connect the black to the ground. Then you have the mobile DVR connecting to all the cameras and feeding them 12 volt power. And we're going to have right here the channel, the last channel on the DVR. You're going to see that one goes directly to the monitor. That's basically how the system works. As you can see, the system rebooted right now. You're seeing all the images work. You can see there you go, my hand going through there. Okay, we just played around with different cameras here when we were setting it up. For more tech support or general information, feel free to call us at 866-966-5550. If you've already purchased from us, I hope this video helped. If you're still shopping, pop over to TadiBrothers.com. Give us a call. It would be an honor to earn your business. From all of us here at Taddy Brothers, thanks for watching and have a great day.